Making money online writing is one of the easiest ways. The best part is that you don't even have to look for people that is going to hire you. They are already waiting for you. So in my previous video, a lot of you kept asking, how can I write story with AI? How can I write up to like 200 chapters? How can I create my book cover? Why is my book getting rejected? Hold on. First and foremost, your book cover. Your book cover can be one of the reasons why your book getting rejected. And you need a good, a stunning, captivating book cover, because that is what they are going to see first. Your book cover is your branding. That is what they are going to see first before they even open your book and start reading your first 3 to 5 chapters. In this video, I'm going to be sharing exactly how you can actually write a story with AI and also create a stunning book cover, and what are the things that you actually need to focus on when you want to submit or apply for contracts. So firstly, let's create our book cover. Now, head over to your ChatGPT. I personally use ChatGPT. You can also use Claude AI, but I use ChatGPT. Get ChatGPT to give you a prompt for a particular book cover. So, for instance, now you want to write a story about a werewolf genre. Then the title, you are going to tell ChatGPT generate a prompt for a book cover of a fantasy romance, werewolf romance, etc. And then you input the title of the book and your name, author's name. You input author's name and it's going to generate the prompt for you. I'm going to be generating different 3 book cover as an example for the sake of this video. Now, once you're done generating the book cover prompt, head over to this particular website called VisualGPT, which I use to generate my book cover. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you to get access to it. So to get started, click on the link in the description box and create an account using your Gmail account. Once you're done creating your account, click on start creating for less. It's going to bring you to this particular page. Now head over to your ChatGPT and copy the book cover prompts that you generated earlier and paste it in the prompt section. Now if you want to change the size of your book cover, you can click on the ratio aspects, click on it, and you can decide to choose any other size that you want for your book cover. Then you click on generate to generate your book cover. So click on view in project. It's going to open that tab where you're going to see the image it generated for you. As you can see on the screen right now, the moon bun is the one I generated just now. So to download, all you need to do is to click the arrow facing down to download your book cover. So let's generate another book cover using another model. So you just follow the same process of copying your book cover prompt and paste and choose the image generator model that you want. If you want to change your size, then change it, then click on generate. Click on view in project to view your image. So as you can see on the screen right now, we've generated another image. All you have to do to download, click on arrow down, or you click on the image. If you want to edit anything, you can also edit your image, anything, title or stuff like that. So you can just edit it, the size, download and save in your file. So this is the third book cover that I generated. I don't want the video to be too long, so that's why I didn't take it to read book 6. But let me show you how you can actually write your story up to like 200k chapters as you requested. Now let's head over to our Claude AI to write our story. So before I start writing my story, I need to have a story idea. That is what your story is going to build on. The story idea is very, very important. You need to know the idea first before you even start thinking of generating or start writing your story. Now, if you don't have an idea, you can also use ChatGPT to develop idea. Now, I use ChatGPT to develop idea. Head over to Claude AI to write that particular story into a long form story. Just say Claude AI that you want the story to be in a long form, like up to like 200k chapters. It's going to develop it for you. So to make it easier for you, if you don't know how to structure your outline, you have to submit your outline, your blurb and every single thing. If you don't know how to structure your story, how to write a well composed story, this particular blueprint is for you. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you to get access to it. A sample of how your outline is supposed to be and your 5k word and how you can actually compose your story supposed to be is in the course. So for you to get access to it, the link will be in the description box. So now let's talk about the major things that you really need to focus on if you want to apply for contracts. So a lot of you actually write a story with AI, you copy and paste and still edit with AI again. When I say you should edit your story, I'm not saying you should edit with AI. You have to edit with your brain. I mean, you have to edit with your brain. It's not as if you're going to like edit every single thing from A to Z, but there are some things that you think, okay, this thing you've already checked the percentage of the AI on the particular story. Like you already know, oh, let me change this particular aspect. You have to like edit it, understand it. You have to read through each chapter. Sometimes it took me a day or 2 days to actually edit 2 chapters. So yes, some people will just write the story in just 24 hours and go and submit and come back saying their book was rejected. So whenever your book was rejected, they always give you a tips. These are the things that they want from you. For instance, now according to Good Novel, whenever they reject your book, because one of the subscribers sent this to me, they rejected his book. The book cover was so ugly, super ugly. I'm going to show you when I'm done with this. So they've already given you tips. The first tip is that they said they want a book with good pace, exciting plot twist. Maybe you were just narrating the first beginning of your story. That is why I said when you want to write a story, like your story should at least start with dialogue, kind of some kind of action, then fascinating cliffhanger. At least your story should always end with cliffhanger. I've always said it. Your story should end with a cliffhanger. You have to have like a character. Your character, maybe your, for instance, now if you're writing a billionaire romance story, the character should be 50 rich, like rich, not like average rich. You get my point? Like the billionaire romance story, the guy is very super rich, not just some kind of average rich guy. You get my point? So your character must be very interesting. And if the guy is struggling, like the guy is broke, the guy should be broke. You get my point? Like the guy should be broke. Not like maybe she can still afford some like buying some kind of fancy clothes. No, like, oh, she's very broke. She don't have anything. You can also generate ideas from movies, generate ideas from reading other book. As I've always say, read other books, even if it's like 2 chapters of the book of under the genre you want to write. So one more thing is that these platforms, if your book cover is not good, they will not tell you that they reject your book because of your book cover. Your story can be interesting, but when your book cover is so ugly, it's not even attractive because they're not the one that is going to pay you. It is the reader that is going to pay them, then they will pay you. Cover has to be very catchy. That is what is going to attract viewers or readers rather to actually read your book and unlock paid chapters. And that is where you're going to be getting money, especially for those people that are getting exclusive contracts. Non-exclusive contracts, you need readers. So make sure that your book is very interesting, and you can actually make more money from non-exclusive contracts compared to exclusive contracts because you have this right to actually upload your story on different platforms. So that's that for that. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to drop your comments if you have any question at all. Bye. See you in my next video, and do take care of yourself.